Hi everyone, today is 15th January 2026. On 7th January 2026, we made a prediction that BTC price might drop to 89,300, and from there BTC price will move upward and go beyond 96,000. So it was correct prediction. So when BTC price was in here, we predicted that, and BTC price went down in here, and from there BTC price move upward. Now let's see trade ripple signal what it says. So BTC price, when BTC price was staying in consolidation, our signal went high, and from there the signal maintained a consolidation and BTC price move upward, and signal was above 0, which means that it was playing correctly. At this moment the green line went down, and at this moment the green line is trying to maintain and go up, and the red line also did the same. It went down and maintained a horizontal line with green line and trying to went up. But the yellow line didn't fall that much, and it is also trying to recover. This indicates that price will go up, and it might hit 100,000, but it will go up near soon. This is Coinglass liquidation heat map for 1 week. We can see when price was at this level, lots of traders take short position, long position, and price went up. During their position taking, also lots of traders joined, and it give price a booster to move upward within a very short time. But from yesterday we are seeing lots of traders started to short, so they are trying to force the price downwards. But I think price will not go downward, because all these traders are in the bottom. They had to sell their position, so this liquidity will act as a selling zone, so price will go up beyond 99,000, I am believing. But at some point price will drop, but this is not the time right now. From this chart we can say that this is liquidation heat map for 1 day. So we can see lots of people short in here, especially this yellow line. So like I said, in 1 week chart, that lots of trader bought, so they will dump their position in here, so price will go up and hunt this position. That's for sure. Also same time people are longing, who miss those people who missed the chance in early stage when BTC price was 89,000 or 90,000. So they are taking long position, so this will give boost the market for price move upward. This is liquidation heat map. From the heat map we are seeing bulls and bears are almost playing out equally. Lots of risky trader on bear side, but less risky trader on bull side. So if BTC price move up, price will get a boost upward direction because of this risky trader when they will get liquidated. This is real-time liquidation list. We can see few traders got liquidated on long side with a position more than 1 million during last 4 or 6 hours. It's indicate that for short time on long side liquidity has been absorbed by the short traders, so there is not much liquidity on the long side for absorbing. So that's why now it is time for the long side to hunt down the short side, the liquidation we saw in the liquidation map. So price will go up in upcoming days, maybe tomorrow, even day after tomorrow. This is cryptocurrency liquidation max pain view. We can see on short side, if price went up and reach at this point 71 million worth of position will be liquidated, where if price went down and reached at 95,000, only 49 million will be liquidated. So the pain on the short side is very high. It is 71 compared to long side. Also, price has only have to move upward 1.37%, which is 1329 approximately, for liquiding this 71 million. On the other hand, if price go down, it has to go down 1742, which is around 30% larger than the short side. So it suggested that short side is less distance compared to long side for mass liquidation, which indicate price will move upward for hunting this area to get this 71.47 million. This is wall orders and large states. So we can see when price was at this position, few large order made by long side. These bubbles indicate that. Also, there is a cluster of order is waiting at price level 98,000. So the traders who already in long side, they will like these large orders to close their position in a profit. So this large order actually will play as a bias for price move upward direction. So probably after filling out these orders, price will move backward again, but this chart indicates price will move upward because we do not see large orders in long side. So So the price will go upward and execute these orders, this for sure. This is BTC liquidity heat map. In here we can see lots of water in this area around and above 98,000. So price will go up and execute these orders, but definitely there will be a pressure from short side, because already we got a hint that lots of people's stop loss is beyond 98,000 or close to 98,000, such as 98,100. So they will try to purchase short more and give a price downward momentum, but ultimately they will get this order will get executed. Some short side will be get liquidated. Also we are seeing a big order in here. This yellow line is proof of that. Also a big line in here. So this means that there is a support in here, and this is resistance. Since price is moving up, so this resistance will act as a magnet area. So this price will go up towards this magnet area, and this support will act as a boost for price move upward, because lots of people are saying this, that there is a big guy or big order or in the below, so they will get inspired and move for buy decision, and ultimately price will move upward. This is open interest section in Coinglass. So we can see that overall open interest increased in here. So in 4 hour it is also increased. In 24 hour the open interest also increased. If you do not know what is open interest, you can definitely look at my tutorial. So from my experience, all this red will be become green in within few hours. All this red will become green and price will get a significant boost. After analyzing all this chart, I can say that from my experience. So also for today today's open interest got increased compared to star day and day before star day, which means that lots of people open more position compared to star day and day before star day. So which is a signal for price will move upward, because when open interest increase and price move upward slowly, which signals that price will move even upward more. So open interest support us for moving price upward. So this is a clear picture for price move upward. This is long short ratio. You can find it in Coinglass. From here we can say that 4 hour long volume is greater than 4 hour short volume. You can look at 12 hour and 24 hour, you will find almost same. Also long side has less percentage compared to short side, which means that long side has bigger position where short side has lower position. Now it switched back, actually almost they are almost equal. So actually battle is happening between shorts and long sides, but all this data suggested that ultimate win will go on long side. Also we can see large trade in here, real time large trade section. We can see a long short price for various interval. We can discuss it about later, but this long short chart says that price will move upward because most recent last 4 hour long side on long side have a higher volume than compared to short side. This is funding rate. You can find it in Coinglass. So BTC funding rate is positive almost in all exchanges. In few exchanges it is negative, but in Binance it is positive. So Binance is the larger exchange among all other exchanges. So funding rate positives, we all know that funding rate positive means long are paying shorts to stay on the position. So which indicates that people has interest on their existing position, and more peoples are getting interested for longs. Also we can see that this green is smaller than this red on January 15, which means that the funding rate has been given on short side more compared to long side. Long side are paying more on short side on many exchanges, but where short side are paying small amount on few exchanges. This is chart for exchange inflow outflow. It is actually net flow chart. This green means on this day more BTC enter into exchange, and this red means on this day more BTC exited from the exchange, which might means that people bought BTC and transferred their asset from exchange to other places. So we can see that started lots of people bought a significant buy volume, we can see, and this volume got transferred from exchange to outside in different wallet. People do that because after purchasing this asset from a spot market, they want to sell it in a higher price. They take it from the exchange and save somewhere in their wallet for security reasons, and they will sell it in future. So which indicate that they are holding this asset. They do not have any rush for selling their asset. So when this amount of BTC transferred from exchange to outside wallet. This give confidence that BTC price will move high in recent days. Maybe next 15 days or in a month we will see BTC even more higher price, and then they will transfer it back to their in the exchange and they will sell. So when they will transfer it back, we will see a green bar above the zero line. Okay, this is the zero line. Okay, so after seeing all this data and reading all this data, I can assume that BTC price will move upward today, tomorrow, maybe even day after tomorrow. At least BTC will touch 100,000, and from there BTC might pull back and return back to 95k or 94k. So we can guess at that, then we can guess or we can calculate when that happened in future. But for now, today we might see BTC go down for let's say 1%, but ultimately BTC price will move upward and reach 100,000. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you again.